design and the decorator's voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. In addition to my YouTube videos and my blog posts, I also have a free course titled 5 Days to Organize Life and Home email course. The link to this course will be in the description box below. And I also published my first planner, the 2023 Divine Life and Home Planner. The planner can be found on my website and Amazon. As you all know, I am a self-proclaimed DIYer. I do not say I'm a DIYer at all. I would rather buy it myself than to do it myself. Well, a few months ago, I found these really gorgeous chairs at Home Goods, and I thought they would be beautiful for my daughter's rooms. I didn't know what I was going to do with them, but I just knew I wanted them, so I got them. A month later, my husband found these old school desks on OfferUp, and they were like two for $40. And he asked if I wanted them, and I said, yeah, go ahead and get them, and I'll decide what I'm going to do with it later. Well, like I said, I'm not a DIYer, so I reached out to my niece and asked her to give me some tips of what she would do or some suggestions. And within like a minute, she shot me some pictures of some things that she thought would work greatly. So we took a weekend, we got the chairs, I got the desk, sandpapered them down, removed the top. We got rid of the shiny aluminum legs, and we turned it into more of a matte or a flat silver or gray to match the girls' decor in their rooms. We painted the desk itself, and then we also added this marble contact paper for the top of the desk. And to protect the desk and the contact paper, because these are girls, they're going to be coloring and glue and all that, I found this plastic liner that actually was the perfect size for it. And right now I am so happy with the outcome. The desk and the chairs look perfect in their room. It actually matches the room decor beautifully. The girls love to be able to just sit at their desk, and the 3-year-old says she's doing her homework. The 4-year-old, the 6-year-old, she just loves it. And it was just, basically $20 each for those chairs or for those desks. So I'm really excited about this project. I will share more of a detailed step-by-step process on the blog. So if you wanted to know exactly what paint we used, if you wanted to know the wallpaper liner, the marble paper liner that we used, the plastic liner, all those details will be on the blog. And I will link the blog in the comment section or description box below. But please let me know, what are your thoughts about this project? And also, are you a DIYer? Do you actually go out and find things and repurpose them for your home? What are some of the things that you've done and some of the things that you like about it? So thank you very much for watching this video, and please give it a thumbs up. Thank you, and have a divine day. Goodbye.